Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Semco Infratech. I am Shivangi Srivastava, Technical Engineer at Semco Infratech. Today I am going to tell you why BCT is important for a battery pack. But firstly, we will know what is Battery Comprehensive Tester or BCT. A Battery Comprehensive Tester is an electronic device intended for testing the state of an electric batteries. Going from a simple device for testing the charge actually present in the cell and its voltage output to a more comprehensive testing of the battery's condition, namely its capacity for accumulating charge and any possible flaws affecting the battery's performance and security. Now we talk about why BCT is important for a battery pack. This BCT, Battery Comprehensive Tester, can make a quantitative and accurate measurement of some basic parameters of the battery. It can measure the open circuit voltage, internal resistance, charge, discharge, overcurrent protection, short circuit protection, and other functions of the battery. It can easily detect bad batteries and increased production efficiency. The main benefits of testing are: you determine where the battery is on its predictable life curve and you know when to replace a battery. It is best to keep in mind that BCT is intended for indication only. Battery Pack Comprehensive Testing Machine is a device that quickly and accurately tests the performance of finished battery. The main test items are open circuit voltage, AC internal resistance, discharge test, discharge overcurrent test, short circuit protection test, charging protection test. So here we have 100 volt 20 to 200 ampere BCT, which has excellent speed and performance. Microprocessor controlled battery comprehensive tester. It has beautiful appearance, fast and stable testing, and is used to test the performance of lithium batteries. Provides 5 test functions: programmable DC power supply, DC electronic load, battery internal resistance test, battery capacity test, and comprehensive test. BCT can use the comprehensive test function to improve the test efficiency. A single machine can complete routine tests such as battery charging and discharging, AC voltage and DC internal resistance, overcharge and over discharge. So now let's start this testing on BCT. Here we have 48 volt 100 Ah 15S battery pack that we have connected to this machine. To test the all parameters of this battery pack, firstly, we create a program according to our battery pack specification. Here we can create a program according to our battery pack. Then we need to download that program we have created. Then start. Now you can see testing has started and testing all parameters sequentially. So now testing is completed successfully and our battery pack has been passed at all. So this is all about Battery Comprehensive Tester. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and share this video, and for more videos and updates, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon.